Hey, what's up, my people? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's to you. This is a special uh, unboxing. This is my 2019 Christmas unboxing. Okay, I'll make this a real quick one. I just want to show y'all some of the stuff I got for Christmas. Alright, one of the things I bought for myself, and you already know one of the things on my site that I got. It is it's the my mother bought that for me, and that's an Android phone. Okay, because she knew that for my new job I had needed to use my phone, and the one I had was, trust me, acting a little flaky. So, and it was kind of my fault because I dropped it. So we don't have to go there though. First of all, oh yeah, I got two cards from some associates. Okay, and most of my stuff that I got came from brand new associates. Uh, with the exception of my mom, most of my stuff didn't come from like friends and family at all. Which is kind of weird this year, but it came from brand new associates that I know, and one person is really kind of becoming a new friend. Okay, so just want to lay that out to you so you understand. Uh, it's kind of different stuff than I normally get. Okay, now let's see this baby right here. Oh yeah, I know what this is. I bought this for myself. One thing about me, I like DVDs, okay? And if I play games, I like older games. Also, my PC that I have, it has a graphics card, but it's not a brand new graphics card, so it only handles so much. But I bought this for myself because I love the game cutscene movies that's on YouTube. You can look up a game and just type in that game's name and say movie cutscene, and it shows you that person playing the game, but it's in the form of a movie. It's really, really cool. And then that gives you a chance to figure out if that's some game you really want to buy or not. Okay. Now, one of them I love, I got this. I bought this for myself. Finally bought one that fits, my graphics card. And this is called Borderlands 1. Okay, this is the first one, and this comes on. It's on a DVD, and like I stated, I like to get stuff that's on a DVD, even my movies, or even games. Games I like to get them on DVDs because I can't tell you how many people I know that they are into gaming. They really love their online games, and then once internet dies or they move somewhere and it takes a minute to pull up the internet, they lose their minds because everything's online. Okay, so I like being able to sometimes get away, disconnect everything from my internet, and still play a game. And then that way I can just get lost into the game, get away from whatever bugging me or something like that, clear my head. That's why I love having my games on DVDs, or having my games on DVDs, and having my movies on DVDs. Now, don't get me wrong, I do stream some stuff, okay, but I really like having stuff I can feel, the solid stuff, and stuff I could pull and watch, and not have to have the internet connected, as well as games, as I stated. This one, associate got for me. Not quite. Hold on. Give me a second here. Ah, these. I told one of my friends I needed some. These are called GVCs, and these particular type of headphones, the Gummy Plus, these particular headphones had really, really good reviews, and I'm very grateful to having these. They have really, really good reviews, and those are not really expensive headphones, and they had really, really good reviews, and for the price, I'm talking that they're like under, I think, $10. Okay, so for the price, it's not bad, and people even were comparing them with the iPhone. You know, they said that they're not as strong as the iPhone earbuds, but they have like 75% of the bass, as well as the sound quality. 75% of that for $10. That's not bad. And last but not least, this is a big one. I don't know what the hell. Oh, I gotta thank him, man. I gotta thank that guy. That'll work. This uh, this is called a Dream Vision Elite virtual reality headset, and apparently it comes with the game already, and this is what it comes with in the box. It comes with the I've read stuff about this, but this is cool. I'm really excited. You know what I'm gonna be doing for a minute. This comes with the game, and it comes with the virtual reality headset, and apparently it comes with a controller. Now here's a secret about me. Probably didn't know this. I used to play, used to get in gaming when I was younger. Okay, and it was always keyboard. I have never in my life used a controller, so that's going to be a learning curve. That'd be interesting. So this is really, really interesting. I'm excited. I'm excited. I can't wait to try this out. This is. Can't wait to try this out. This is going to be pretty good. And let's see here. Apparently, it works with. What is that? Does it have it on there? Oh yeah, it works with Android or iPhone. And it comes with its own game that you can play. Not bad. This is going to be interesting. This is definitely going to be interesting. Let me give you a good shot of that. I like that. All right. So we got that. All right. And I'm not going to open up the cards because the cards are from associates and they're probably kind of personal, so I'm not going to open that up. And I don't want my address to be shown, you know what I'm saying, to be shown like, hey, there I am. Come and get me, here I am, So, thank you all. And I hope you enjoyed that quick unboxing. I hope it wasn't too boring for you, but it's been pretty good. I'm going to have some fun doing a lot of offline playing here. This is cool. Especially, and the earphones, that's going to rock, man. Because I'm going to test those out, and I'll let y'all know how I feel about those, as well as in the future, I'll let you know how when I learn how to do it correctly, how the VR works. Okay? So that's, yeah. You already know I'm going to be gaming with that Borderlands 1. Alright. Right. And I want to thank you for spending your time with me today, checking out the unboxing. And leave comments below. Let me know what you got this year for Christmas, what you're thankful for. And thank you all for checking out my channel, checking out that unboxing. And also, I ask you to subscribe, share. Okay, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either way, you're cool with me. And I will rap to you later. Thank you for your time. This is Dalton, and I'm out.